Welcome to NeetGPT, India's smartest NEET preparation platform. In this tutorial, you'll learn how an admin can easily import parent profiles into the system after logging into the admin panel. This process ensures that parents stay actively involved in their child's academic progress. So, let's get started. Once you've successfully created your admin account and logged in, look to the left side of your screen. You'll see a vertical menu. Click on User, and a submenu will appear just below. From that submenu, select Show Parent to proceed. This will take you to the Parent Management section where you can view, add, or import parent accounts. Now you might be asking, why do parents even need login access on an academic platform? At NeetGPT, we believe that parental involvement is crucial for a student's success. When parents log in, they can track the student's performance, monitor progress in various subjects, view test results, homework status, and disciplinary records. Most importantly, they can identify weak areas where their child needs help and provide extra support at home. This ensures a collaborative effort between the student, teacher, and parent, making learning more effective. As soon as you click on Show Parent, you'll be redirected to a list view. If parents were already added earlier, you'll see them listed here. At the top right of this section, you will notice two buttons. Import Parent, to upload bulk data using an Excel sheet, and Add Parent, to manually enter a single parent profile. Let's now look at how to prepare the Excel file for importing parent data. Your Excel file should include the following columns: school ID, parent name, email, phone number, password, child's email, relation. Make sure that the school ID, parent email, and child's email are correct. These fields must be accurate to ensure proper mapping. If the student's email is not correctly associated with the parent's email, it may result in login issues. So be careful. Double-check your Excel file before uploading. Once your file is ready, go back to the NeetGPT Admin Panel and click on Import Parent. Select the Excel file you've prepared. Now you'll see a screen where you need to match the fields from your file with the fields in the database. Match each column on the left with its correct counterpart on the right. Once all mappings are completed, click on Submit. That's it. Parent accounts have now been successfully created. Once parents receive their login credentials, they can access their dashboard and view test scores, homework submissions, class activity, discipline reports, and learning progress, all in one place. They can also see which subjects their child is struggling with and provide necessary support from home. With this system, parents and teachers remain aligned, which helps the student stay motivated and focused. That's all for this tutorial. We hope you now understand how to import parent data into the NeetGPT Admin Panel. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and keep learning with NeetGPT. Empower learning, involve parents, and help every student succeed. Only on NeetGPT.